am here for networking. They told me that what an amazing conference this is. And, how can I say no to coming here and meeting with my clients? Everyone is on the cusp of wanting to learn more about the convergence of OT and IT. And I am here to help my customers through that journey.
I'm really happy to be here. It's my first time. And this venue is great for connecting with clients we're currently doing business with, partners we're hoping to expand some of our relationships with, and as a systems integrator, it provides a lot of great tracks, both for our cybersecurity and some of the AI that we're looking at internally and to help our clients with.
The people that come to ARC Forum are awesome. They're excited to be here. They're excited about technology. So you've got some of the most innovative folks from some of the biggest Fortune 500 companies together under one roof to share their stories.
And so all of these different technologies are coming together in the industrial market. And I think there's no better place than the ARC Advisory Forum to learn about them and to experience and to learn from colleagues in the industry.
It's a one-stop shop where you can come gain the insights on what's going on in industrial IoT, digitalization efforts across a myriad of different industries. Fantastic content. I mean, you're getting updates from a whole bunch of different technology sectors.
I think it's a great place for us to learn together and see how we can solve our customer problems.
Here at the ARC, we found that there are a lot of other companies doing very similar items. There was a lot of hesitation from people within the organization about being bleeding edge, but seeing that other organizations are doing similar issues, going through some of that research and trying to expand on it, let them know that we have other peers that we can rely on. There's a place where we can go to get information. The ARC is sharing a lot of that collaboration, and that was very helpful to the organization.
Well, here at my first ARC conference, I learned that the kinds of topics that are resonating with our industry leaders present here today, how things like AI and process digitalization are what's driving innovation in these spaces and are going to keep us competitive going into the future.
One of the things I learned today is sometimes you just have to start the work. By doing that, we can actually start to implement these things such as AI agents, and really make a big difference in our company.
One of the things I love about ARC is sometimes the conversations I have give me new ideas about even my own product and my company's product. So someone today actually gave us an idea of a use case for how to use what we were building in a way that I hadn't even thought of before, for a technology that we haven't even thought of before.
Today at ARC, I learned the importance of collaboration between IT and OT and how important it is for these departments to collaborate together for success. It's all about the people-to-people connections at ARC.
I'm having a great time at ARC this year, and today I learned all about how we can do data contextualization in order to add context and information to our data and leverage that for operators and engineers to more effectively do their jobs. I'm excited to take that back to my company and share it with everyone.
So I'm here, this is my first time at ARC. I'm from a 50-employee end-user company in Cincinnati, where I handle IT and OT. So for me, being from a smaller company here, it feels a little bit like being a small fish in a big pond, but it's been really exciting to kind of hear and learn more about what's happening in the industry and look beyond my company. So yes, I'm definitely looking forward to coming back.
I thought ARC has been great. Coming in as a vendor has been an awesome experience. We come here every year, Inductive Automation, and it's fun to reinforce our relationships with people. But I think it's been fun to see some practical applications of AI, see some people who are actually using it to do meaningful things. And then also it's fun to see more and more focus on open standards, more and more adoption. Fun to see all the different companies that are really doing it too. So people are doing a reality of all this stuff. It's really fun.
I heard a lot of themes surrounding education, and I'm really excited to see the next generation of engineers educated about what we can do with data and artificial intelligence. So it was great to hear what all of our clients are up to. Everybody's still innovating, and I'm here for it.